Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be making our very own DIY moisturizing hair mask. This is going to be super fast, super easy, very inexpensive, and all natural. I got these results from using the hair mask, so if you guys are interested in making your own deep conditioners at home, then please keep watching. Alright, so before we get started with our ultra moisturizing DIY hair mask, I'm actually going to be showing you guys a line of skincare that is ultra moisturizing as well. So the skincare line I just received is from L'Occitane, and this moisture packed line is their new Aqua line. This line consists of their water gel cleanser, the moisture prep essence, the Aqua Ultra Thirst Quenching Gel, the Ultra Thirst Quenching Cream, and lastly, the Fresh Moisturizing Mist. So if you guys are interested in trying out the new Ultra Thirst Quenching Gel and a few of L'Occitane's other products, they're actually having a promotion right now, which is a free gift with purchase, and you'll receive this gift set, or you can simply just walk into the store, use the code HYDRATE, and get this gift set for free without any purchase at all. I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to show you guys this ultra moisturizing line to go with our ultra moisturizing hair mask. I hope you guys check this out, and let's get started with our hair mask. So the first thing I'm going to be adding to my deep conditioner is one ripe avocado. Avocado is extremely moisturizing because it is a healthy fat. Avocados have tons of nutrients, fat, and oils, which are going to be amazing for your hair. Next, I have half a banana. Bananas are awesome to use in DIY masks because they're full of vitamins and nutrients, and you can also use these bananas like when they're going a little too ripe to be eaten. You can actually just pop one of these into your hair masks and it will add a lot of moisturizing benefits to your mask. Next, I have about 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, so that means it's going to be drawing the moisture to your hair. Honey is extremely moisturizing. It's also great for strengthening the hair, and it also has antibacterial properties, which is going to be great for the scalp. To make this easier to blend together and to add more moisture, I am going to be using my tried and true apricot oil. So I love to add apricot oil into my deep conditioners because it is great for treating dry and brittle hair. Last but not least, I'm going to be adding a few drops of my pure lavender essential oil. Lavender oil is great because it has antibacterial properties as well, which is going to be great for the scalp. Alright, so I am back with my avocado mixture. This has the consistency of kind of like a whipped yogurt. If you guys have ever tried those, this is extremely light and fluffy. It is so creamy, and I can tell this is going to be super moisturizing. All right, let's get started applying this mask. So I am starting off with clean and damp hair. I don't know if you guys can tell how much slip this has, but this is so buttery and creamy. I have been using this mixture since before I even started transitioning. I've basically been putting food in my hair like all my life. I never had a lot of deep conditioning products or hair products in general, so I would always kind of make my own, and this was one of my absolute favorites for kind of keeping my hair really moisturized and really healthy. A huge benefit to making your own DIY masks is that it's a very easy, very fast, inexpensive, and it can also be all organic depending on where you buy your produce and your products from. I am going to leave this on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I will come back and show you guys the final result. Alright guys, so these are the final results from my DIY hair mask. One thing I am definitely noticing, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is way more defined than it normally is. I usually have tons of volume but very loose curls, and these curls are extremely tight, extremely defined. So I think that means my hair is telling me that this mask had the right amount of moisture and the right amount of protein for my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go claim your free gift from L'Occitane. Make sure to leave any comments for me down below if you guys have any questions. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.